This is 2021, the Chevy Silverado, the 1500 RST with the 3.0 Duramax diesel engine, the V6 diesel. We're going to remove these rear chrome exhaust bezels and put some nice dual 4-inch black tips on there. We've got to leave the little exhaust, I call it a diffuser, kind of keeps the exhaust temperature cooler, sucks in the cold air and dilutes the temperature of the exhaust coming out the back. So we got to leave all that there, but we're just going to show you a little before and after here. So we'll get back to you next. Okay, you can see we blacked it out. We got the 4-inch dual black tips on there. Didn't do anything else to the exhaust other than adapt them in there. Left the diffusers there. These don't have a muffler at all on them, just a particle filter and a catalytic converter, so there's no real sound to them. Might give it a little bit of tone when you really step into it, just because it's got the bigger tips on the end, but let's see what it sounds like. Yeah, pretty quiet. Like I said, maybe just a little bit when you put a load on the engine. It's all about the looks.